Welcome to the Spellbinders March 2026 Embossing Folder of the Month Club called Solar Flare. This 5.5 by 8.5 inch embossing folder features a central small circle with rays and a pattern of sparkles. The design is perfectly coordinated with this month's Small Die of the Month superhero, but it would work with other celebratory card themes as well. The size of the embossing folder gives you the option of creating an A2, 5x7, slimline, and other large-sized cards too. Let's use this embossing folder to create a card. Cut a piece of Spellbinders Celestial cardstock to 4 by 5.25 inches and place the cardstock inside the embossing folder, lining up the circle in the center. Place the embossing folder on platform A and B, then place a clear plate on top and run the embossing sandwich through the Platinum 6 machine. The raised rays, sparkles, and dots create a fun flare background. Use Hero Art's Unicorn Pigment ink to swipe white pigment ink on the raised portions of the embossed cardstock. Don't press too hard because pigment ink is on a foam ink pad and ink can pool in spots of the background that are not raised. The ink helps the design really stand out. Use some Spellbinders Sparkle Splatter effects to add some shine to the background. Shake the splatter effects to combine it, then use the top with the brush to dip into the splatter effects and tap the cap over your project to create splatter and droplets on the background. Die cut clouds, a superhero, and some stars using this month's Small Die of the Month. Use a foam square to add dimension behind the large cloud and add the superhero on top. Use liquid adhesive to adhere a sentiment strip that has been stamped and die cut using this month's clear stamp in Die Club. Use the liquid adhesive and adhere the smaller clouds on each side, hanging off the left and the right. Add small droplets of liquid adhesive on the clouds to add additional stars. Pick up the small die-cut stars with an embellishment tool to easily place them on the glue. Flip the panel over and trim off the parts of the clouds that hang off the side. Then use Spellbinders Tape Runner to adhere the panel to an A2 card. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!